Welcome back. Now what we need to do is that we need to reorganize our template because as you can see there is a lot of code that's being repeated over and over again, and this is not a good practice. And to fix this issue we can kind of refactor the code. So if you noticed the upper part, this part is has been repeated so many times and almost in all pages. Also this part, this navigation, this side menu has been repeated. This part has been repeated. So we can refactor the code and we can add all of these in different files. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a new file here called here this. This is going to contain the side menu, and this is going to contain the header. So I'm going to say here new. I'm going to create here a new, and then I'm going to say let's say header.php. And in the header I'm going to include both the side menu as well as the header. So I'm going to copy from the beginning all the way to the end of the side menu, which is this section. And then I'm going to remove it from the index. And then I'm going to paste it in the header. I'm going to paste it here in the header. I'm going to paste it in the header. And here in the index, what I'm going to do is that at the top, I'm going to say PHP. And then I'm going to say include. And what I'm going to include is that I'm going to include the header.php. Now, if you save and refresh the index, you'll find that there is absolutely nothing different. Similarly, we have so many pages that have the side menu. So we can repeat the same exact concept. In the add product, we also have this part. So we can remove this part, and then we can say here PHP and then include, and what we want to include is that we want to include the header.php. Let me now repeat the same thing to all pages. So this is going to take a little bit of time, but it's worth it. Here in the create product we also have this. In the create product we don't have this, so we don't have to do anything about it. In the edit product image I think we have it, so we have this part. I'm going to remove this part, and you have to be very careful because you wouldn't want to break your code. And then just paste the header and save. And let's repeat this. It's going to take a little bit of time. So I'm going to remove this part, and I'm going to remove the side menu, and instead I'm going to paste the header. And in the edit user image I'm going to do the same. I'm going to remove this part as well as this part, and then I'm going to paste the header. In the edit user, and then in the edit products. In the edit products we don't have this code, so we need to keep it as is. In the get sales we don't have it, so I'm not going to do anything about it. In the get users also we don't have anything. In the help I'm going to rename the help, and I'm going to say help.php, and I'm going to remove the upper part as well as the side menu, and I'm going to paste this code. In the messages we don't have it. In the products we also need to remove it, and then we need to paste it here. In the sales we have it, so we need to remove this part and then paste this code, paste the header. In the update product image we don't have it. In the update product we don't have it. In the update user image and in the update user we don't have it. So you might be wondering, why would we do this? The answer is because now if you want to edit the side menu or the upper part, you don't have to edit it in every single page. You can edit it from the header.php, and it will be edited automatically in all pages. And I'm going to show you the power of doing this. Let me show you now what I'm going to do. In the header, remember, in the header.php, in this side menu, if I click on any of these buttons, it's not going to work because we are still using the old links, and we need to update these links with the new URLs. And to do this, we don't have to update this in every single page. Instead we can do this from one location, and it will be edited in all pages. So here, if I say, instead of saying index.html, I'm going to say index.php. In the users, we also need to say index.php. In the products, we need to say products.php. In the sales, we need to say sales.php. In the add products, we need to say add product.php. And in the here add product, in the contact, we need to say contact.php. And in the help, we need to say help.php. And the contact is HTML, so I'm going to rename this, and I'm going to say contact.php. And I'm going to remove the upper part along with the side menu, and I'm going to paste the header. Now let me show you the power of doing this. Let me now go to the main page, and now from the main page, if I click on dashboard, it's going to take me to the dashboard. If I click on users, it's going to show me the users. If I click on products, it's going to show me the products. If I click on sales, it's going to show me the sales. If I click on add product, it's going to take me to the add product. If I click on contact, it's going to take me to the contact. If I click on help, it's going to take me to the help. And you can go back and forth between pages, and there is absolutely no problem. And this is the power of refactoring your code.